invited by this committee? Maybe we can invite her in the next
Hindi,
day.
nandito naman ng pinaka-boss si Secretary.
But I would like to ask.
Mas gusto mo siya makita kayo sa Secretary.
Hindi naman. Anyway, Mr. Secretary, huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Kung hindi pa binulgar ni Pangulong Marcos ang mga anomalya na nangyari sa mga flood control projects, hindi niya ba iimbestigan ito? Kailangan pa umabot ng Senado para imbestigan ito dahil binulgar ni Pangulong Marcos hindi umano yung mga anomalya o sa mga flood control projects.
Hindi naman po siguro, I think, Your Honor, I think this is a routine process naman ng department that every project that we complete must have to undergo a quick, it has to undergo a validation audit before we fully pay the contract amount, Your Honor. So, meron yung quick quality assurance unit, may audit team na dapat miikot parati, Your Honor, before we pay the final payment for this project, Your Honor.
Are all these contractors qualified?
They are qualified. They're qualified, Your Honor, and the basis of the documents that they submit for the bidding purposes, Your Honor.
Sa mga binanggit ni Pangulong Marcos ng mga contractors during his SONA, bakit sa sampulang, bakit halos lahat ng mga contractors to ay kinorner lang sa mga flood control projects? Why is that so?
Well, as far as I can recall, actually, yung sabi naman na ng Presidente, 20% of the total amount of, that has been allocated over the years were actually napupunta doon po sa 15 contractors po. So, marami pa naman po yung other contractors that have participated in the implementation of the flood control projects, but it's a little outstanding, sabi ng ating Presidente, that 20% of the total budgets that have been allocated to flood control na punta sa 15. In numbers po yun, I think that is in numbers, Your Honor.
Yes, so sabi ni Pangulong Marcos, 15 contractors cornered 20% of the total budget, or roughly 100 billion pesos.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the remaining 436 billion